In this lecture, you will learn how to find the top keywords of your competing websites or competitors. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to find similar websites to the website you are going to build or to the niche in which you have decided to create your website. In this lecture, before showing you how to find the top keywords of your competitors, I will walk you through the entire process of how I am going to find my competitors and their similar websites and the top keywords of all those similar websites, because this will help you to replicate the process while you create your website. As I said in the previous lecture, let's assume this scenario. I am going to create a website on smartphone news, reviews, gadget news, that is some kind of techie stuff. So I have searched in Google for top smartphone websites. The first two results are entirely unrelated, and so let me move on to the third and fourth. I know these two websites very well, Pocket Now and Phone Arena. Pocket Now is a famous website for Android, iOS, Windows, Blackberry mobiles, reviews, news, etc. The same goes for Phone Arena too. So let's assume that I know only these two websites in this niche, that is smartphone news and reviews. So how can I find similar websites to these websites? As I said in the previous lecture, let's go to the best tool, that is SimilarWeb, where I'm going to enter the URL of these two websites, Pocket Now and Phone Arena. You see, the global rank is 19,800, that's approximately 20,000. While choosing a competing website, don't choose a website that's in 100 or 1000 ranks, because they might cover some entire things such as entertainment, gadgets, politics, science, and many lot of things, and they should have got a domain authority of unreachable amount. So you cannot target those keywords at first. So I recommend you to choose a competing website of a global rank from 20,000 to 50,000 Alexa rank or similar web global rank. Now let me see the similar sites of pocketnow.com. Under similarity, I have got Phone Arena. So let me open that too. Then Techno Buffalo, Phone Dog, Android Central. Okay, that's enough. Let me go with these five websites. Wow, the global rank of Phone Arena is 2500. That's kind of unreachable at the moment for any new website within a span of 1 to 2 years. But let's keep this for reference. Now let me move on to Techno Buffalo. 10,000 global rank. Let it be. Let's go to similar sites. Almost the list is same. Oh, here comes Phone Dog, which has got 1 lakh global rank. If you follow this course, that is every SEO factor as it is, then attaining a global rank of 1 lakh, you can acquire this 1 lakh rank within a span of 3 to 5 months. Yes, of course you can get. And what would be your traffic once you reach this rank? You should be getting anything around 4,000 to 5,000 daily unique visitors. Under that circumstances, you should reach this 1 lakh rank in Alexa or similar web's global rank. So let me move on into this process. So I'm going to cancel out this Android Central, and then I'm going to keep Techno Buffalo. Let me sort these websites in the order of the rank. Phone Arena has 2500, Techno Buffalo has got 9600, Pocket Now 19,800, and Phone Dog 1 lakh. So we have narrowed down to four websites, and I am going to analyze these four websites and find out their top keywords. So for that, I have got some tools to do this stuff. First, let me move on to SpyFu keyword research tool. In this tool, we are going to enter the website one by one. First, let's go from the least popular website, phonedog.com. So, this phonedog.com has got 20,000 SEO clicks per month and 6,500 organic keywords. So, let's see what are they. Now, scroll down and come to top keywords. Let's view all organic keywords. By default, SpyFu will display you only 5 organic keywords, and these are in the range of most valuable ones. You could see all these are some kind of long tail keywords such as best mobile phone reviews, best cell phone reviews, cell phone company rating, and you can also see the searches per month, estimated clicks, ranking difficulty, etc. If you want to view all these other results, then you should log in. SpyFu hasn't got any free plans. That is, you cannot sign up for free. So you are left with only these 5 top most valuable keywords. So to find other keywords, we need to go into other tools. So for that, I'm going to use SEMrush competitive data. That is SEMrush SEO tool. Ranking of a website or the number of organic search terms or the total revenue of a website, everything varies from a tool to another tool. For example, SpyFu's estimation of phonedog.com varies from SEMrush's estimation of phonedog.com. So you don't need to care about these stuff. The only thing we need to care in this stage is organic keywords, the top keywords that are bringing traffic to these websites. So let's scroll down. Here are the top organic keywords. Let's view the full report. You can see that the traffic of this website is at its peak on January 2012. Recently, from October 2014, the traffic of this website has got considerably reduced. This may be due to several reasons, such as the editors or authors might have left the website without updating the content, or they could have attacked by negative SEO, or Google's search algorithm changes might have hit this website to lower traffic level. We will deal with all these things in the upcoming sections. So now let's find out the top keywords alone. Like spyfu.com, which offered us only 5 top organic keywords, SEMrush offers us top 10 keywords. So let's order it via volume. These are the top 10 keywords in the order of most volumated keywords. Let's sort by traffic. These are the keywords which brings most traffic to this phonedog.com. So likewise, you need to open an Excel sheet and then copy all these keywords, paste it in that. So you should make a collection of what are the keywords you think you are going to use on your website. For example, phone dog is a keyword which brings 24% of traffic to this website. But we cannot use phone dog as a keyword on our smartphone website because phone dog is the brand name of this phonedog.com. We can use Sprint reviews, T-Mobile reviews, or Metro PC's reviews. We can collect these keywords. So now let me search for pocketnow.com. For PocketNow, as always, the brand name brings in the most traffic, that is PocketNow, and then comes 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So people are searching for 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and PocketNow ranks 1 for this keyword. The volume of this search term is just 3600 per month. You can leave these kind of keywords. You need to concentrate on keywords which brings in at least 10,000 visitors a month. For example, Microsoft net worth, haptic feedback, Apple stock. But you need to see one more thing. If you target for Apple stock, then the chances of getting into the first page is very low, because Pocket Now, which is a website ranking under 20,000, should have got a domain authority above 70 to 80. If that website can't rank even in the first page for a keyword like Apple stock, then just imagine how could you, that is a owner of a new website, how could your new website rank in the first page for the keyword Apple stock? So this is how you should form a strategy. You should collect keywords which should get a considerable amount of volume and also easier to rank on the front page. So what are the keywords I'm going to collect from this list? I will choose 5 GHz Wi-Fi, what is Android OS, HTC One Max 2, that's all. These are the keywords I can take from this list. Well, I have said earlier not to take any keywords that has got volume less than 10,000. That is applicable only when you have got lot of keywords in that range. If you don't have a keyword in that range, then look for lower volume one. If I write just one or two articles based on this keyword 5 GHz Wi-Fi, then the chances are higher for me to rank in the front page, and I may get all these 3600 visitors per month into my website. Similarly, when I make article on HTC One Max 2, I will get 1600 visitors per month. So by making more and more articles on these lower competitive keywords, I am adding monthly visitors of about 4,000, 1,000, 2,000, which may add up to bring 30,000 visitors per month, which means I get 1,000 visitors a day. Once I reach 1,000 visitors a day, automatically people will start sharing my content into social networks, into other forums, which will build more links, inbound links to my website, which will increase the domain authority of my website. So eventually, I will rank front for higher competitive websites such as Microsoft Net Worth or Haptic Keyword, etc. This is how the cycle goes. So in this lecture, you should have got hold of the overview of how to collect the keywords from your competing website. In the next lecture, let's see the part 2 of this one. That is, we are going to use several other tools and we are going to make a list of keywords from these two competing websites, Pocket Now and Techno Buffalo.